Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to turn right using push-pull steering. In this video, I'll be going over a simple tutorial for using push-pull steering to make right-hand turns. Now let's get right into the video. I'm going to start off by showing you how to do it while I'm sort of sitting still here at a parking lot. Then I'll get on the road and I'll start driving and I'll make multiple right-hand turns to show you how to use it on the road in action. All right, here's the steering wheel. Very simple. Push-pull steering. This is basically how it works. You're going to hold the steering wheel at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. That's what I would always recommend. So if you have the wheel here, and this is an imaginary clock, we have 12 o'clock, which is right here in the top center. If I take my right hand, I'm going to go 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And if I take my left hand, I'm going to go 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So we have the 10 and 2 steering position right here. Now with push-pull steering, your right hand always stays to the right of the wheel. Your left hand always stays to the left. Meaning your right hand is going to stay between 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your left hand is going to stay between 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, but 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay? So right hand stays in this half circle, left hand stays in this half circle. All right. So to make a right hand turn using push-pull steering, holding the wheel at 10 and 2, this is how you're going to do it. Your right hand is going to do the work first. That's the easiest way to remember it. Right hand turn, your right hand does the work first with the wheel. Sorry about that. So I'm taking my right hand and I'm bringing it down while I release my left hand. Just like that. And my left hand is sliding to meet my right hand at the bottom. Now my left hand grips the steering wheel and slides it up while my right hand has released and meets it at the top. Right hand slides it down, left hand brings it up. That's how you make right hand turns using push-pull steering. That's how you steer right using push-pull steering. Once again, 10 and 2, you're making a right turn. Your right hand does the work at first, then the left hand is gripping, then the right hand is gripping, then the left hand is gripping. Just like that. All right, we're gonna head onto the road. Let's do this. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna make our way onto the road. I'm in an empty parking lot right now. We're gonna start off by making a right-hand turn, and then I'm gonna make as many right-hand turns as I possibly can, while hopefully not hitting any streets that don't allow me to make right-hand turns. All right, right signal goes on right over here. Check my mirrors, I check my blind spot, 10 and 2, let's make a right-hand turn using push-pull steering. Check this out, release the wheel, just like that. It's very simple, very easy. Now here's a long stretch of road before I get to make another right-hand turn. But the key factor when using push-pull steering is that only one hand is gonna do the work at any given moment. Either your right hand is gonna do the work or your left hand is gonna do the work. Now, both of your hands are always moving, because as you can see when I'm using push-pull steering, both hands are going like this all the time. But only one hand is gripping the wheel while the other hand is actually just sliding along the wheel. The easiest way to remember is that, you know, they're like a tag team, right? Both of your hands work together to move the wheel using push-pull steering, but only one of them is working at any given moment. I'm approaching a stop sign, right signal goes on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, come to a complete stop, look for traffic, try to avoid the sun blinding me right here. All right, we're gonna use push-pull steering. It's a little bit of a weird turn right here. It's just sort of like a very, very gradual turn. So I mean, I didn't get to show you the full method, but right here is a little bit of a more aggressive turn. So I'll get to show you a little bit better how to use push-pull steering to make a right turn right here. All right, we're at a complete stop. It's safe to make the turn. Let's actually make the turn. All right. Now I believe I have to make this left because I can't make any more right turns. So I'll use push-pull steering to make a left right here. Just like this. Go around this car right here. We'll make a right-hand turn over here. Right signal goes on. Check my mirrors, check my blind spot, come to a complete stop, no traffic, no pedestrians. Let's make this right turn using push-pull steering. All right, just like that. We'll make one more. And it's actually, like I said, a very simple method. With just a little bit of practice, you can become very good at using push-pull steering. And I would recommend combining it with other steering methods. I use whatever steering method is best for the situation. Hand over hand, push-pull, one-handed steering, palming method. There are tons, right? So stop sign, check my mirrors, blind spot. Let's go ahead and make this turn just like that using push-pull steering. We'll make one more just because I can easily make this right-hand turn over here. Stop sign, signal goes on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, come to complete stop, no traffic, no pedestrians. Let's make this right-hand turn using push-pull steering. Just like that. Now, like I said, it's a very simple steering method, and I tried to make as many right-hand turns as I could in this video to show you exactly how to use push-pull steering to make a right-hand turn. It's actually a very simple thing to do, and I really hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other tips for using push-pull steering to make a right-hand turn? Let me know as a comment down below, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.